Hello everyone, and today video about the limited edition Damast. And of this year we have a Farmer X, which is a model I was very enthusiastic, I would say. And I was really hoping to get this model for this limited edition. And we have it for 2024. So this is really a beautiful one. As you can see, so last year we had the Ranger 55 as a reminder. I was really hoping to have the Farmer X in 2023 and was a bit disappointed by when I saw that it was not a Farmer X, but nice knife as well last year. But finally we have it, the Farmer X, with this rich brown color, as they call it. So it's a regular Farmer X with the 17mm for thickness, 93mm of course for the range, 109 grams and 10 functions. So as usual we have underneath here this standard paper, I would say, and this kind of certificate, so it's not numbered on this certificate, but you have information about the knife. 60 HRC for the hardness grade. We have 115 layers of Damasteel, which is called Hakkapella. And as I said, the rich brown color. So here's the knife and the rich brown color for the scales. The blade with this pattern. It's a really beautiful one. And at the back as well. It's a bit different, but it's really beautiful. I really like it. So I'm not a fan of brown color, but so you can think it's similar to the Alox Limited 2024, but it's not. It's much darker. And I prefer this one. I prefer the color of the Farmer X, even though maybe I would have preferred another color. But I'm happy to have the Farmer X finally for this Damast limited edition. And the pattern of the Damasteel is really beautiful. Really like it. So I'm really happy about it. It's a beautiful knife. So of course, Farmer X. So we have the reamer hole, scissors as well. Then the wood saw. And the opener layer with the can opener and the flathead screwdriver. Then the larger flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, and the wire bend stripper, and the keyring, which is a function for Victorinox. So the back we have the year and so 7,000 pieces for this knife, exactly as the same thing as last year. And this one is number 2395. So yeah, A really beautiful one. Beautiful blade. Really like it. It's a really beautiful one. For the price, of course, it's always a bit expensive. It's around 280 euros, but nothing really surprising with this limited edition every year. So yeah, but that's really a beautiful knife. And as I said, really, I was looking forward to getting Farmer X in this limited edition, and finally we got it. So I'm really happy about it, and really happy about the result of this knife. So don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video, of course. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.